Hey there YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and I am coming right back at you with another sneaker unboxing. It's been a while since I've done one. This is a bit of a special one. You know what this is from the title. I hope I know what this is from the title. These came from our good friends from the Sneaker Annex. I've been waiting and hoping to get some of these for, when did they come out, SJ? March, January, February time? Like the start of the year. We're gonna get to it. Lance, who sent these to me, he's done them up very well, so we're going to get to it about now, SJ. Well, I'm seeing the pink box, so it's definitely the right box. It's a very pink box. Boom. So let's put that aside. What have we got? Blimey. I am being blinded. I am being blinded by the pinkness of this box. We have got, everyone, we've got the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro OG Quick Strike, UK 10.5, that makes them a US 11.5, and these are white, chrome white. And if you remember the numbers from earlier in the year, they're BV1310100. SJ, look, it's super pink, super pink. Let's do it. First of all, the box is in pretty mint condition, considering. Like, this is mint. Right, here we go. Ooh. Oh. Oh my word. These have not even really been worn, if at all. These are not creased. Lance, you've done good. Let's put that aside. Oh my word. I suspect these are too bright for the lights. No? All right. Hold there, Sneaker Cam. I'm going to camera 2. You ready? It's too bright. Look at that, camera 2. Hopefully you're focused. I don't think you can focus because you're so white. Oh my word. Oh, these are We've got the Tiffany laces in the bag, and I think I'll swap out the Tiffany. I'll swap out the white laces for the Tiffany. SJ, do you think that?
Yeah.
First thoughts, these are crisp. These are not for the winter months. This is definitely a summer shoe. SJ, come in. Like, we did this, we've got the black one, and the white ones were in theory only available at core skate shops. But like, I don't even think he's unpeeled. Like, I don't think he's taken this off the Velcro. Well, I'm trying to pull that off so we can see swoosh. Have a look at that. I really like the way the crocodile piece is not brilliant white. It's kind of creamy white. I'm not going to say off-white because I don't like that phrase. It's a creamy white. It counters this brilliant white here. But what you've also got, which I hadn't appreciated, you've got like an icy sole. Works really, really well there. So we've got that. We've got on the inside and dead stock laces. Have a look at that. So good, such a great shoe. Getting directions, everyone, from the lady here. I'm getting directions there. I am going to bring this into you, camera, because we don't do that very often, but just look at that. That is a shoe and a half. Like, just take a look. We don't do it very often, but zoom. These are such a good, clean shoe. I'm just going to have a look at the other shoe. They've not been worn, SJ. I don't even think he's touched carpet with these. I think he's looked at them and gone, yeah, they're all right. I know, like, it was Danny that was all over these at the start of the year. Like, all over these, and Lance was happy, but Danny's clearly more of a dunk guy, or seems to be, according to the videos on the Sneaker Annex. I don't think these have touched carpet. Super, super nice. I love you now, camera 1. I can do all these kind of crazy things. Because the camera's a bit closer, I can, like, literally come right in and then out again. Zoom. These are such a great pickup. Let me just have a look under here. Oh, yes. Look at that. Look at that. How good. They are so good in white, aren't they? Mm-hmm. So good. Right, you have a look at that. Can you focus, or is it just too white for you? I think it's too white for you, camera 2. I'm sorry. Oh, fold that back down there. Maybe it'll work better with you, camera 1. Oh no, I don't know what I'm doing there. Have a look at that, camera 1. I think it's too white for you. They're just so nice, and the Tiffany works so well against this white color. It works so, so well. We've got clearly, obviously, like the black ones, but on the tongue as well, if we come in close, we can clearly see the Diamond Supply logo there. And I'll just go in for you. Yeah, you got it there, so you can see crisp. It's a shame. It's a shame it's November, because I am not going to wear these until the summer, or until at least I get to the Bay Area or LA and it's super sunny. I'm going to LA this week, but I'm not risking taking these. No, it needs to be a special occasion, doesn't it, SJ? If I'm going to, these are a special occasion shoe. I'm so happy the Annex boys actually thought of me. It's so nice of you, so thank you again. I'll sort the PayPal details out now.
You've done that yet?
No, because here's the thing, right? As soon as Lance said to me, right, oh, do you want these? I was like, yeah, just send you his PayPal details. He says no. No, he's so super trusting. He said, no, I don't want that yet. I'll box them up tomorrow, blah, blah, blah. So he boxed them up, and I get them pretty much Tuesday this week. So quite super quick. So I say, thank you again. I say, like, just send you the PayPal details. And he's like, no, unbox them. Like, have a look at them. I'm like, literally, I knew I wanted these. I would have paid you before you even sent them. So thank you again so much. And we'll do it after this video. By the way, everyone, if you're new around here and you don't know really what we do, we tend to do sneaker unboxings. We have been a little bit slack the last few months, but we're back on it. The one thing we've not been slack on is though that we do stream every Sunday night at about 8 PM UK time, which is about 12 PM on the West Coast, about 3 PM on the East Coast. Thinking like Japan and Australian places, it's basically Monday morning. So you can probably watch it on your commute into wherever you're going. That's what we tend to do. If you want to subscribe, it's somewhere down here. If you want to do the like and all of the other malarkey, even if you want to share it. If you don't like the video, give us a thumbs down. At least I know somebody's out there watching. And until the next video.
What's on the lace caps?
What, the eaglets? Or is it aglets? We've done it again. Every video, right. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a sticker just above the camera, just above there, right? I'm going to put a little note. Lace caps are actually aglets or eaglets, whatever, and it'll just be there, be out of shot. You lot out there, you won't be able to see it. Do you think it's because I'm getting older and like I'm just forgetting like the important details? I'm gonna have to have little notes everywhere above every camera. Don't forget to say this, don't forget to say that. But yes, on the end of these, it does actually say, now I don't know if this will focus. I don't think it's focusing because I'm in the camera, but it does actually say diamond. I don't know if you can get it, SJ. Can you see that? I don't have skills at twisting laces ever so slowly. I'm sure there's probably a machine that does that for all the sexy Peter McKinnon type slow-mo of like just slowly turning a thing. I should really be going. That was obviously not slow motion, that was just me moving it very, very slowly. I don't know what's going on today. I honestly don't. Yeah, I know this video is probably like 9 months longer, 10 months, 11 months late, but I'm super happy. This is like an early Christmas present to myself. So again, thank you boys out there. Thanks for thinking of us. And we will see you, everybody, in the next video or on the stream on Sundays. I'll see you later, everyone. Bye. Have a look, SJ. Have a look at that. It's so nice. It's such a nice shoe. It is banging. I can see why these sold out straight away. Right, everyone. I know I've gone now, but just have a look. There we go. Huxley, are you a fan? Yeah, just what Virginia. Okay, I think we should probably lock it off now so that we can feed the dog. The box was mint, but the dog's just stepped on it. He's just literally stepped on it just there. But what? You know they say don't work with animals. Definitely don't work with Huxley at times. We're really going now. See you peeps. Bye.